What's the meaning of broomstick? Broomstick. Broomstick.
Broomstick. Broomstick. A broomstick is a long, slender wooden or plastic pole that is traditionally associated with witches. It is often depicted as the means by which they fly through the air. In reality, broomsticks are used for sweeping floors and other surfaces clean. They typically have stiff bristles at one end for gathering dirt or debris, and a handle at the other end for grasping and maneuvering the broom. Broomsticks are a common household cleaning tool and can be found in many homes and workplaces around the world.